Hitler wasn't a bad seed from the beginning. While growing up, there was a specific environment that made him have such emotions, which in turn caused World War II by pouring out these feelings. That's why Hitler caused the Jewish people so much suffering. There was an environment in place stemming from his youth which forced Hitler to emotionally go against the Jewish people. This also elevated him to become a hero to his followers. Hitler was discriminated against as he grew up, became a leader, and was at the forefront of World War II. It is time to realize why the Jewish people were sacrificed and suffered so much. Since we reached 70% development, it is time to understand these things. That is why the Jewish people must know how they have grown up, what to do in the future, and how they have been punished for their misdeeds as God's soldiers. We have to solve these things together. Germany must open a new paradigm to contribute to society, which will liberate them from being branded as war criminals of World War II. Therefore, I will arrange everything and help you to do great things for our international community. Your question is expanding on what I explained earlier. What role will Germany play? What role will Italy play? What role should the US play? What role must Korea play? And what role should Japan play? I have already determined the plan for these matters. To open the future, we have to design something that we can work on together. In this way, we can open an era by doing our duties together, in which humankind's dark feelings are all melted away, and their thoughts will be changed so we can make great efforts side by side for world peace. The person who can proficiently design and lead this project will be respected and honored by all. The road to success is not paved with riches, but rather with respect from society at large. Through our work, we will receive great respect from the world community. Italian people say that they are of high quality and are developed, although they are not yet respected by humankind. We are on the path of righteous living when we receive respect from all of humanity. We should do this respectable work. We have built up our strength in order to do that. Also, Germany has been empowered and equipped to do this work. All people will admire them when they do this. Furthermore, if they lead at the forefront and work hard with the power of this admiration, then all the people of the world will honor them. The Jewish people are the same. The Jewish people are not respected by others just because they have a lot of money. This means that the Jewish people did not succeed. You don't receive respect from humanity just because you are wealthy. Depending on what kind of work you do with your resources determines whether you are respected or not. Those who are respected by humanity are surely God's workers. If you are truly the descendants of God, you must now design what you are destined to do. Through this, you will go down in history for what you have done for human peace. Since no one in this world can design these blueprints, people don't know what to do in the future. Each country doesn't know what they have to do. The US and China also don't know how to open their bright future, and no one has found out the way to live in the future. The United States and China must understand what their obligations are and do something significant for the peace of humankind. Yet they still don't see their wrongful ways and only try to occupy a dominant position with the logic of power. If this continues, the global community will undergo tremendous suffering. We have to make this project. The United States has grown into a giant power thus far, and it should make designs to create a high-quality society in the future. They must go in a way to improve their quality. If they try to defeat the world again with their logical power, they will collapse. They should gain wisdom and open their eyes to see the world. Germany will do significant work because they have grown up by improving their strength. So, Germany is going to work together with the greatest love project, which is the supreme work of heaven and earth. At that time, Germany, which received blame by humankind, will turn out to be respected by everyone on earth. As such, the global community will be a society that doesn't cause any side effects when all the brothers and sisters around the world strive together, hand in hand, for world peace. The final obligation of the world community will begin soon. Then, what should Germany do in the future? I will show you the way in due time. Invite me to Germany, and I will be there to unfold everything. So don't worry about too much.